Just earlier, Snowbird has come in with some reports. We have just a few of these schools closed. These are just some of them: Edmonson County, Grayson County, Barron County, Butler County, and Muhlenberg County. There are quite a few more available. You can check online, WBKO.com/closings. But the weather is starting to calm down a touch, much calmer, at least compared to earlier. We still have a little bit more to go, as we have some snow showers that are expected as we head into Monday, and then we have some much colder air that starts to wrap in as that system finally exits the region. We're also keeping an eye on Friday. A few flakes possible. It doesn't look like to be a big storm at all, but nonetheless, there are a few additional flakes in the forecast. Temperatures right now, many of us are right around that freezing point. We notice down here, right along Kentucky-Tennessee border, we have some warmer air that's starting to surge, and we've managed to warm up to 45 degrees in Tompkinsville, and we're talking a pretty sharp contrast in temperatures there. So that we could actually have a few areas that warm up into upper 40s, maybe even 50 degrees. Not out of the question. Max Storm does show that freezing rain has started to push off to the east. Still have some scattered showers over into portions of the western area of our viewing area, but we're not expecting much more in regards to freezing rain, sleet, snow, or just rain in general. Not too much for tonight. Things that we're looking pretty calm. We still have those winter weather advisories in effect, really for the entire area. That's in effect until tomorrow. Then most might expire early, depending on what happens with some of the snowflakes that we are expecting for tomorrow. But let's time things out here with Future Max. The system does push off to our east. Here's the backside of the system. We've got some light to moderate snow that starts to sweep into the area right around 6 a.m. That does finally pass by and gets out of our area by about 2 or 3. And that snow will actually likely accumulate to a little bit, maybe 1 to 2 inches across the entire area. So things will still be slick tomorrow, especially from morning in through lunchtime, although the road crews are doing a phenomenal job out there, but it will definitely add another layer for them to clean up, at least for Monday, before it's all said and done. Tuesday, got a good amount of cloud cover. We could see some sunshine by the afternoon and evening hours. Temperatures are going to be considerably cooler, so you'll want to make sure you have those jackets, hats, gloves, you name it. Things will be cold for the rest of the week. We start off Wednesday with a little bit more cloud cover, and then again, that sunshine trying to make an appearance by the afternoon and evening hours. So what are we looking at for potential snowfall as we head into Monday? Well, as I mentioned, about 1 to 2 inches is going to call it for much of the viewing area, and some heavier total maybe further up, closer to the 2, maybe 2.5 inches, but nonetheless, still some snowflakes out there. So just be sure, and if you head out tomorrow, take things slow, take those corners slow, reduce your speed, things like that. Everyone will continue to stay safe as those Kentucky road crews continue to keep things clear for all of us. Temperature outlook, average temperature for us is about 46 degrees. We're still looking at some very cool temperatures, well below normal, at least 6 to 10 days out. And there's not much to look at here. It's just going to be downright cold. We're down into the hard freeze category. I mean, we're looking at morning lows approaching near single digits. So keep that in mind as you head into the rest of this week and as we approach into next weekend. For tonight, we're starting to see that wintry mix transition to a rain. We'll have still a few isolated showers. Temperatures will vary across the area, but in the upper 20s to near 30 degrees for tomorrow. Only warming to about 30 degrees, not a whole lot. We do have those morning snow showers as we head into the afternoon and evening. Things start to fade off. Pretty quiet forecast for the rest of the week. Again, just the chance for a few afternoon snow showers for Friday, then turning partly cloudy for next weekend.
One Auburn woman's acts of kindness not only uplifts those receiving help, but also inspires others to pay it forward, now creating a ripple